Avalanche NFTs are absolutely surging. Collections like Peons, Morphs, Small Joes have all 100x since their mint this summer, and ETH and Sol influencers are tweeting about Avax NFTs all over the place. With what's going on with Sol royalties and ETH being oversaturated, it seems people are entertaining dipping their toes onto another blockchain to try and make some decent gains. The Avalanche ecosystem is really starting to flourish with tools being built, and right now there are some serious opportunities to make multiples flipping Avax NFTs. Today, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how the Avalanche ecosystem works. We'll show you which NFT marketplaces to buy from and the NFT tools that you must be using to be profitable. And then finally, I'll share some upcoming mints that I'm excited for. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get stuck into it. First of all, regarding secondary marketplaces, there are many options on Avalanche. We now have OpenSea as per my last video, and we have amazing native marketplaces like JoePegs, developed by the Trader Joe team, Kalau, Campfire and NFTrade. Currently, like you can see on these graphs, most of the traded volume is flowing through Joe or OpenSea, but that doesn't mean there aren't deals or snipes to be had on the other marketplaces. Obviously, going through them all manually to check is not sustainable, but luckily we've got this amazing marketplace aggregator and NFT analytics tool created by Virtual Query called Avalytics. The first thing you see on the site is the top daily collections and how much has been spent in USD across the marketplaces. If you go down, you can filter the top collections across the marketplaces across your desired time frame. Also, on the right, you can see the hot collections and most recent sales. You can also look at the trends in NFTs, how these volumes are spread across the marketplaces, and the top traded collections based on the last 100 sales by marketplace. The influencers tab is also a really nice feature as it shows a live feed of what marked wallets are doing, whether it's buying, selling or bidding. This intel could potentially be used to decide which collections may pop in the future and allow you to catch something early before a big announcement. Either way, it's a great tool to see marked wallets activity in real time. If you click into a specific collection, I'm going to use Peons in this example, you can see this nice floor book feature on the right, which gives you an idea of how packed it is and how many NFTs are listed before certain price levels. Then you have the usual information across these tabs: sales, top holders and statistics. On the stats you can see volume change, floor price, and then look at the trades to see if there's single buys or sweeps. And there's many other useful data points like listing and holder distribution. Finally, you've got one of the most important features, which is the Pro feature. I'm going to click on monkeys here, and this is where we're able to see the aggregator in full effect. You can clearly see here that it aggregates monkeys across all of the marketplaces and would be handy to scope out any potential deals. You can see what the floor price is at each marketplace, and you can see buys and sales on the right across certain marketplaces too. As promised then, some upcoming Avalanche NFT mints that are on my radar that may be worth looking at. Nox Beyond, Play Game NFT and Mech Avax. Nox Beyond has a lot of hype surrounding it and is an anime style project. The art looks really clean and the Discord has been absolutely popping lately. I recommend you checking this one out. Play Game NFT then, there isn't really much info on this yet, but what we do know is it's created by Joe Studios. At the moment they've only got a Twitter and no website, but it's the same team that created Peons, so for that reason alone I'm paying attention and look forward to seeing what the next updates are regarding this project. Mech Avax is something I also like the look of and will be minting very soon. Art looks good and the floor for the mint passes has steadily been increasing over the last few months. They've got a really strong team behind it and the project founder is actually Avalabs recruiter Danny Schlarman. As always, go research these projects for yourself. Don't ape him based off what I've just told you. It's really important that you go do some research yourself. Closing thoughts then. Personally, I believe Avax NFTs provide a real opportunity to grow your bag due to the low price point and low gas fees, so when failing a hyped mint, you aren't out of pocket. Also, it's surging now and there's a lot of opportunity for growth. That's everything I wanted to go through today. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one.